For the best price, click the link in the description. Philips Viva Collection Steamer. Have you considered this for your kitchen /N? I know many of you are tired of dealing with stubborn stains and messes in your cooking space /N. But here's what surprised me when I started using my Philips Viva Collection Steamer /N. It wasn't just the ease of cleaning or the convenience of having a multifunctional appliance, but rather the way it completely transformed the way I cook. Rehook, are you tired of sacrificing flavor and texture for the sake of ease? But /N with the Philips Viva Collection Steamer, you can have it all /N. This incredible device is not just a steamer, but also a sauté pan, wok, and even a slow cooker /N. The possibilities are endless, and I'm excited to dive deeper into its features. Rehook, what sets the Philips Viva Collection Steamer apart from other multi-cookers on the market? Therefore, before we get started, let's talk about some of the common problems people face when it comes to cooking /N. Long cooking times /N. Messy cleanup /N. Difficulty in achieving even cooking. You might be thinking, is there a solution out there that can fix all these issues? Well, I'm here to tell you that the Philips Viva Collection Steamer is more than just a solution, it's a game changer. Rehook, can this really live up to its promises? Let's take a closer look at some of its key features /N. The Philips Viva Collection Steamer comes with a large 6-liter capacity, perfect for cooking for a crowd /N. It has 12 preset cooking options, including rice, grains, and even slow-cooked stews /N. And with its advanced steam technology, you can achieve perfectly cooked meals every time. But /N, what really sets this device apart is its ease of use /N. The intuitive interface makes it simple to navigate and select your desired cooking option /N. And the best part, cleaning is a breeze with the detachable parts and dishwasher-safe design. Rehook, are you ready to see how easy it is to cook with the Philips Viva Collection Steamer? Therefore, let's talk about some of the benefits of using this device /N. Healthier cooking options /N. Reduced cooking time /N. Increased convenience. You might be thinking, is all this worth the investment? Well, I'm here to tell you that the Philips Viva Collection Steamer is an absolute must-have for any kitchen. Rehook, can you really afford not to have one of these in your kitchen? In conclusion, if you're tired of struggling with cooking and want a solution that's both efficient and effective, then look no further than the Philips Viva Collection Steamer /N. For the best price, click the link in the description /N. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.